In this video, I'm going to show you how to print double-sided on Adobe Acrobat Reader. So to do this, first you want to open your document you want to print, and then you want to go to File, top left, and click on Print down here. Of course, you could use this button as well, or press Ctrl and P, it's up to you. Then over here you can see, of course, you can select your printer. So I'm gonna go to this one, which is the HP printer I'm using, and then you have two options. So down here, if you see this option which says print on both sides of paper, you should click on it, and then of course select how you want to flip, either on long or short edge. And whenever you toggle this on, it's going to print double-sided on both sides, and then you can just of course customize all the other things and click on print, and it's going to print double-sided for you. However, if for some reason you can't see this button, you want to click on properties next to your printer, and then in here there should be a button to do this. Now in my case, I'm using an HP printer over here, so it's showing me print on both sides manually like this. Now I would have to switch this from none to flip either on long or short edge, or just like enable or turn on or whatever. But for you, if you use any other printer, the dialog box here may look a bit different. Just look for an option which is called print on both sides, or maybe double-sided print, or something along those lines. So just read all the settings, find it, turn that on, and you're good to go. But of course, if you can see it over here, that's great, because you can just check that mark and you can print double-sided that way. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.